this channel is not only about human resources, it's also about organization and self-care. So today's self-care is going to be all about looking cute. If you feel great on the outside, you feel great on the inside, and that makes you a productive, great professional. So one thing I challenged that I had a challenge with over and over again was, now that I finally got my makeup where I want it to be, I can do a soft beat for work or get it spiced up to go out. What do I do about all this extra stuff? People are doing lashes, people are doing crazy eyebrows, and I won't say crazy, some of them look amazing. But I like my stuff to look natural. So what lipsticks can I do that still look natural? And so I ventured out. First it was just lip glosses. I didn't really trust myself to go to anything different. But over time, I kept saying, I can do this. Okay, I will go to the makeup counter and be like, why don't you do this? This looks beautiful on your skin. And the more I test with things at home, test with stuff at MAC or any other counter that I went to, I found some amazing colors that work for my skin tone. If you're a chocolate sister looking for some great colors to put on and just give your basic look just a little pop of color, then stick around. Watch my video. That's what's up next. So this lip liner is a limited edition. It came with the Aaliyah line, but I just think of it as a black. It's so close to black. Like, as you can see, you know, it's going to apply and look black. It's no longer available with MAC, but I would say just buy like a black MAC lip liner.